As indicated by our ongoing spell kind of symbolic cost expectation, the worth of spell kind of symbolic will expanded by 263.35%, coming to $0.00304 by end of 2025. All specialized markers show that the especially current opinion is nonpartisan, while the apprehension and veracity file is perusing 49.43, and that implies intense trepidation. Our particularly spell token gauge, it's hold spell extremely token right now in a sort of significant manner. On February 25, 2023, practically generally specialized examination markers flagged bullish signs, while different pointers flagged negative signs, showing an overall impartial feeling among spell token cost forecasts. See the specific spell token cost expectation beneath. You will realize the amount spell token generally is worth in the next few long stretches of time in a really significant manner. Throughout the course of recent days, by and large spell sort of token generally has expanded by 13.03%. Because of this, we can basically get with the exception of a slight recuperation in the approaching month. Toward the finish of February, the worth of spell token expanded by 119.96% and came to approach around $0.00184. Presently, all markers generally are demonstrating unbiased zone, and the apprehension and insatiability record by and large shows 49.43 genuinely intense feelings of trepidation, or so they truly thought. As indicated by our figure, this isn't the ideal opportunity to hold for the most part spell token, or so they certainly thought. Right now, spell extremely token is exchanging underneath the 200 straightforward moving normal. Throughout the previous 326 days, since December 31, 2023, SMA sort of has shown a spell token holding especially signal. The cost of really spell in every practical sense, token is right now running beneath the 50-day basic moving exceptionally normal, SMA, and it shows a purchase signal, or so they thought. As per every specialized marker, the 200-day SMA will drop soon, and the cost will hit $0.000894 toward the finish of December in an unobtrusive manner. By December 2023-2024, spell token S most certainly momentary 50-day SMA shows a $0.000765. The overall strength record, RSI, energy oscillator, basically is a famous pointer that signals whether a digital money is oversold, under 30, or overbought, over 70. RSI is at present at Ursivalu amazingly. This shows that the spell market especially is in an unbiased position. Spell in every way that really matters, token, spell, value expectation 2023 in the primary 7-day stretch of January 2023. Spell commonly token came to $0.000877 when it dipped under $0.000525. Interestingly, since January 2021. As indicated by the financial backers and market trades, spell fundamentally token really is en route to passing the $0.00184 mark before the current year's over. Before $0.00184, it might break its characteristic of $0.0751 and reach. As per the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers, spell token will in every practical sense break its past all-time high of $0.0751, and in every way that really matters, hold somewhere in the range of $0.00164 and $0.00184 soon. Amazingly, at this point, on 25 February 2023, spell token in every practical sense is exchanging at $0.000837, and its 24-hour exchanging volume is around 9.83 M. And it makes number 302 money in the sort of entire crypto world. In an unobtrusive manner, spell token value expectation 2024, there is plausible that really spell token can get through the $0.00213 hindrance and hold the market toward the finish of 2024. The in every practical sense, least spell token cost will be between $0.00179 to $0.00213, and the most probable truly spell token cost will be consistent at around $0.00210 toward the finish of 2024. Despite spell token's wild swings in esteem and the discussion encompassing its naturally unpleasant energy utilization, very rich person financial speculator Tim Draper especially is adhering to his forecast that truly spell token will basically reach $0.00213. toward the finish of 2024 or mid-2024. Or so they thought. Spell token value forecast 2025 by 2024. Market investigators and specialists explicitly anticipate that Spell will begin the year at $0.00245 and exchange around $0.00304. As per their expectations, this would be very sort of high contrasted with in every practical sense last year, which is very huge. This for the most part is actually a satisfactory leap in Bitcoin. Spell token value expectation 2026. There explicitly is a decent opportunity that for the most part Spell exceptionally token 2026 value forecast will twofold in cost. However, it is likewise conceivable that it may not explicitly arrive at its normal greatest $0.00376 level. Spell token is especially anticipated to arrive at a record-breaking high of $0.00358 or $0.00376 in 2026, and it very well may be the extended period of Spell token. Spell token value forecast 2027. For the most part, Spell token value expectation, or Spell, will encounter huge development in 2027, as it can possibly accomplish new highs as far as sticker costs and market cap, which in a real sense is very critical. Spell token's cost especially is supposed to outperform $0.00376 in 2027, or so they thought. It has been especially anticipated that certainly Spell token will generally arrive at the in every practical sense most extreme cost of $0.00376, and the exceptionally least cost is supposed to especially be around $0.00322 and the following a long time from 2027. In a significant manner, Spell token gauge 2028 market examiners and specialists foresee truly say that Spell fundamentally token value forecast and specialized examination, Spell especially token, really is supposed to cross a value level of $0.00451 in 2028. In the interim, Spell token is supposed to, in a real sense, arrive at a very least cost of $0.00397 this year. The really most extreme cost might reach $0.00457. Spell token, Spell value expectation 2029. By the start of 2029, the Spell commonly token value forecast and specialized examination anticipate that the expense of Spell token will reach $0.00607, and the cost of in a real sense Spell ought to really reach $0.00607 before the year's over. Furthermore, Spell can reach up to $0.00564 in cost, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. From 2024 to 2029 delay will in a real sense bring huge years for Spell. All things considered, token development. Spell value expectation 2030. Out of 2030, Spell token value forecast are supposed to basically cross the $0.00866